Alright, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Thank you for coming back on another video here with me, another training. I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be able to get free traffic using Facebook, alright? Using Facebook, your Facebook personal page, if you have a group, your profile, whatever, okay? So this is going to be a cool, quick way on how you can start getting leads to send them either to your YouTube channel, to your affiliate links, to your products, e-commerce, whatever the case is. It works amazing, okay? If you actually use these steps, okay? So if you guys are new to my channel, again, my name is David G, and I talk about how to make money online, how to do affiliate marketing, financial, online businesses, so forth. Today, we're gonna be talking about leads. How are you gonna be getting free traffic, free leads to, like I was saying, your links, your products, your store, whatever, okay? And check this out, and it's gonna be basically in either your profile picture right here. It's going to be your banner right here, okay? So I have a basic banner. You guys can kind of see, and I have an arrow, okay? I want to send people and I want to drive people to my YouTube channel. When they go into my profile, they're going to click on it, and it's going to see, you kind of see that I have some links right here. So it's going to send them over to my YouTube channels, right? It's going to send them over to my affiliate products if you want to get crazy leads. What I want to do is I want to get them into my system, either into my YouTube, into my email list. That way they're going to be seeing me, and I'm going to be able to show them my world, if that kind of makes sense, okay? If I send them over to my YouTube channel, they're going to be seeing me, right? They're going to click on my links later on. They're going to be in my email list. If I send them over to my page, they're going to see me again, okay? So that is how you're going to be getting links. So you kind of see that I have some links on the side right here, and I'm going to show you how you can start doing this, okay? So I'm going to show you how you can create this, then I'm going to show you how you can start getting leads into this. So let's see. So you see, basic banner. To create a basic banner, you're going to come over to what is called canva.com. This is basically a free website where you can create content, where you can design stuff, okay? You're going to actually type in here Facebook cover, and they're going to be giving you different templates, okay? And you could either create a blank one out of scratch, or you can create or use the other ones that they have here, okay? Now, this is going to be for a Facebook page, a Facebook cover. So, you know, basically pick whatever you want. I suggest something bright, right? Something that pops, because that's what you want. Ultimately, when people come into your page, into your website, you want it to pop. You want to grab their attention, okay? I'm just going to use this first one right here, Meet Our Doctor, okay? Because I don't want to waste too much time. I'm not a graphic designer. But I can use this stuff, okay? So what you want to do is, okay, so you got your template. You're going to be able to change stuff around here, okay? Obviously, I'm not a doctor, but I want to put a picture of myself on here. This is the first one that's here, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it on here. And then you're going to be, showing them just like on my Facebook picture here. Hey, where do you want to send them? What do you want to do? Hey, you want to go to my Facebook page? You want to learn how to make money online? You want to grab whatever? Let's just say learn to make money online, right? So that's the first thing that pops in my mind right here. And of course, let's go ahead and throw an arrow in here. Okay, I'm not going to spend too much time on here, but just that way you guys know. Get rid of all this right here. Boom, boom, boom. Just gonna put a quick arrow here, and let's go ahead and add a button, okay? Because that's ultimately, and to make a button, I just basically just grab a box like this, okay? Check this out, just a basic box. Boom, boom. Set it up here, beautiful. Like I said, I want to actually pop this. I want to make this pop. We'll just do black for right now, and add a text. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so just something easy, something simple. And there we go, okay? So something like this. See how I just kind of created this in less than a minute, all right? So I'm gonna make this, let's just make it yellow, just because, right? Just because we can, okay? And there you go. You have a Facebook cover, right? When people go into your Facebook profile, for whatever, right? You send them over for, and this is not just for family and friends, but for other people on here. Hey, if you want to learn how to make money online, they're going to get started. They're going to click on this button, just like I have here, right? Once they click on that button, they're going to open up these links, and then you could actually be able to send them over to your links, your products, or your YouTube channel, for example, on my situation, all right? Now, download it. Once you're done, you just come up here, you download it, you put it into the PNG profile, whatever, your the product, download it onto your computer, and then all you gotta do is just upload it onto your Facebook picture, onto your Facebook page, and you're done. Now, second step, how do you grab leads? How do you actually attract people onto your Facebook page, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do, I'm gonna use my example for affiliate marketing, right? I wanna actually attract people, and I wanna help and teach people how to start making money online. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into groups for affiliate marketing. How do you spell marketing? I don't even know how to spell marketing, okay? I'm gonna wanna start joining groups that are into affiliate marketing, right? People wanna learn how to start making money online. For example, this one has 9,000 people, 37,000, 6,000. I'm just gonna click on this one, see if it lets me get in here. And what I'm gonna do is I wanna join, I wanna interact in this page. Now, very, very important, very, very delicate, sensitive part. You do not want to spam people, okay? You don't want to start joining groups and start telling them, hey, come over to my page. You want to learn how to make money online? Go to this link. You do not want to do that because, for one, that's not the way to do it. And two, you will get kicked out of that page in a heartbeat, okay? You do not want to do it. I want to say is you want to interact. Now, when I say interact, I want you to answer questions, okay? I want you to see if you don't know how to answer questions, help them, right? You just want to communicate with people. Let's say, for example, I just kind of got on a random page here, so I want to see if I could find a question, right? All right, well, I guess I don't find questions, but there's going to be people in this group that's going to be asking questions. Hey, how do I get, how come my links are not working? Why isn't my page working? Does anybody know how to start making money online, right? You're going to start interacting in that page, okay? Hey, Samantha, David, John, whatever, right? Like I've been in your same problem before. I know what to do. Try this, okay? Once you start interacting, Facebook's algorithm is going to start picking it up. Hey, this guy and this person is starting to interact, right? So now they're going to start putting two and two together. It's like, hey, now they're going to start recommending that other person. Your Facebook profile page is going to be coming up on their page. And it's like, hey, people that you might want to know, people that you know, probably want to become friends. That is how you're going to start connecting. People are ultimately going to be seeing your Facebook page, Facebook profile. Let me see if it comes up on mine. So this is my personal page right here. And let me see. If I scroll, there's going to be a little section here where people you might know, people that you want to become friends with. Whoa. I don't know where that is. Okay, so it's not really coming out. But there's a section here where it's like, hey, people that you might be interested in becoming friends. Okay, that is where your Facebook profile is going to come up. They're going to click on that. And once they do that, they're going to go into your profile. When they go onto your profile, again, here's your banner, and that is how you start getting free leads, okay? It is gonna take a little bit of work, but once you train and teach Facebook the algorithm, once you actually start showing them, they're gonna start helping you attract more leads, okay? And that is how it works. That is it for today, guys. Free training, free awesome. If you guys want to learn how to start making money online, if you guys want to learn what affiliate marketing is, how I start making $1,000 a day, go ahead and click on that first link on the bottom here. That is how I started on how to make money online, how I became an affiliate. And that's how I tell other people to start as well, right? If you guys have any questions, if you have any comments, let me know. Drop them here in the comments. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel. I talk a lot about training, teaching, making money online, so forth. All right, guys? So I'll catch you guys on the next one.